Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I hope everyone is fine and do good. Welcome back on my channel Fashionable. So, guys, today I am going to share a video with you which is all about pink color art designs. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to like and share my video. All nail art designs are so beautiful and very elegant. If you are wearing pink white dress on party and or other occasions, so then you must try these nail art designs. Please comment down if you have any questions related to my nail art ideas video. I am going to share cute and beautiful nail art designs with you. So watch this video till the end. Please do not skip this video because in this video there are very beautiful ideas for you. If you use nail art designs, they will change your personality. If you are using artificial nails, then check the qualities of them and make sure that you are comfortable in them. In this video, all designs are stylish, glossy, elegant, and most beautiful. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, then make sure to subscribe my channel. If you like these designs, then please give a like on this video and share it with your close one. Thank you for watching my video.